Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will cover how to backup and restore your security settings using the Backup and Restore feature in Ultimate Security. Let's jump into the process. First, navigate to the Settings menu at the top of your Ultimate Security dashboard. From the drop-down, hover over Maintenance and Tools and select Backup and Restore. On this page, you'll see options to both backup your current settings as a JSON file or restore them from a previous backup. This feature allows you to clone your security setup across multiple sites or quickly revert changes if a breach occurs. Click the download button to export the settings. Now, let's look at a site that needs a restore. Here we are on a fresh dashboard where the security level is currently at basic. Instead of manually reconfiguring every security setting, rule, and login restriction, we're going to use our backup. Go back to Settings, then Maintenance and Tools, and click Backup and Restore. Under the Restore Settings section, click on Select JSON File. Locate your previously saved Ultimate Security Configuration JSON file and select it for upload. Once the file is loaded, Ultimate Security provides a detailed import preview. You can see exactly what is being updated. You have full control to select all 13 sections or just the ones you need. Manually setting up these security settings is exhausting. This feature turns a 30-minute task into a 30-second click. You can keep multiple versions of your security setup. Click on the Import 13 section. A confirmation box will appear warning you that this will overwrite your current settings. Click Yes, Import Settings. And just like that, all settings are imported successfully. Using the Backup and Restore feature is the fastest way to maintain a consistent security posture. You can also roll back to a previous stable configuration without any downtime. Download the Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description. Stay safe, and don't forget to keep a fresh backup of your settings. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Export your settings today and keep that JSON file in a safe place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.